Welcome to the ASTRO. In this DS9 tutorial on image processing, I'm going to teach you that how to crop a subsection of the big image from the feeds file, okay, and how to save into the feeds file again. Okay. So for doing that, I will go to the file. Now open a feeds file here. So I will open a feeds file here. So I have a feeds file here. So you can see, okay, so here's my feeds file, right? So I will zoom fit it, right? So, and now what I'm going to do, I am going to crop this feeds image with a subsection, okay? So you can crop this area, right? So for cropping this image, go to the edit section, right, and go to the crop, okay, and then come to your image and take the mouse and make a square, okay. So, and see here your feeds image has been cropped, okay. Now you can go to file, save image, and save as a different format, feeds, EPS, GIF, TIFF, JPEG, PNG. So I will save it as a feeds, right, and I can give a file name as a say r crop dot feeds, okay, and save it on the say desktop. Now it has been saved. Now you can open this file, right? So open it, r crop dot feeds, right? So you can see this is your file name, okay, and you can also see the header. So the header contains that the size of the image is 1920 axis and 770 columns, okay, row and columns. So you can make it, so you can zoom this image and you can change the color bar. So you can change the color of the image. So this is how the image looks like. So this is the cutout portion of the image, right? So you can zoom the image. So this is your cutout portion of the image.